Can you believe it? The guardian that shields Earth from the impact equivalent of 3,000 atomic bombs every second was, for 0.5 billion years ago, a violent nightmare that nearly destroyed the entire solar system. This colossal giant, 140,000 kilometers in diameter and large enough to contain 1,321 Earths, hides some of the most mind-bending secrets in the solar system. From the Kepler telescope to the Juno probe, the more humanity learns about Jupiter, the more we realize that the mysteries of the universe seem to lie within her. The terrifying collision of 1994 remains unforgettable even today. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 didn't even get the chance to approach Earth. Jupiter's immense gravity tore it into 21 fragments, which then slammed into the planet at 60 kilometers per second, leaving behind 4 enormous scars in the atmosphere, each large enough to fit several Earths. The energy released was equivalent to the combined power of 800,000 Tsar hydrogen bombs. Astronomers have calculated that without Jupiter, the likelihood of Earth being struck by large celestial bodies would increase by 1,000-fold. What's more, at Jupiter's Lagrange points, 60 degrees ahead and behind its orbit, over 12,000 Trojan asteroids are trapped. Within a magnetic field that extends 1,500 kilometers, countless high-energy cosmic rays are deflected away. Even deadly radiation that could tear through radio signals is blocked by Jupiter, making it the most reliable guardian Earth could ask for. Yet, if we trace back to 4.5 billion years ago, when the solar system was just being born, Jupiter was a force of chaos. Back then, remnants of the solar nebula condensed as rocky planets began to form in the inner region. Solar winds blew away hydrogen near the Sun, and Jupiter, which should have stayed at the outer edges, began drifting inward, pulled by its terrifying gravity and fluid dynamics. As it approached Mars's orbit, Jupiter's gravitational storm obliterated the protoplanetary disk, preventing Mars from growing into a planet 1.5 times the size of Earth. Instead, Mars was left with only 10% of Earth's mass. Without this interference, Mars might have retained enough mass to sustain a magnetic field, an atmosphere, and oceans, perhaps even developing life earlier than Earth. More dangerously, Jupiter continued speeding toward the Sun. Had it gone any farther, it might have collided with Earth, becoming either Earth's satellite or flinging our planet out of the solar system altogether. Fortunately, Saturn arrived just in time. The two giants entered orbital resonance, later joined by Uranus and Neptune, stabilizing the solar system into its current harmony. Jupiter's extremity, however, far surpasses human imagination. The Great Red Spot on its surface, large enough to engulf 3 Earths, is a superstorm that has raged for over 4 centuries, since the Ming Dynasty, with wind speeds reaching 500 kilometers per hour. Deeper inside, gases are compressed under immense pressure into oceans of liquid hydrogen, and further below lies a layer of metallic hydrogen hotter than the surface of the Sun, capable of conducting electricity like metal. Jupiter's lightning bolts are 10,000 times more powerful than those on Earth, and its thunderclouds swirl with toxic chemicals. Its magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, and if it were visible to the naked eye, Jupiter's magnetosphere would appear larger than the full moon in our sky. The energy of its polar auroras is over 300 times that of Earth's, powerful enough to destroy an unshielded spacecraft within minutes. Yet, ancient astronomers already recognized Jupiter as the star of years, a symbol of fortune and renewal. Now we know that this fastest spinning and most massive planet in the solar system came dangerously close to becoming a second Sunday. Had its mass increased by merely 80 times, its core would have ignited nuclear fusion. Jupiter is both a cosmic grinder that devours celestial bodies and a creator god that nurtured life. Over billions of years, it has absorbed countless threats through violent impacts, while also bringing Earth the chaos needed to spark vitality. Such contradictions and miracles are rare even in the vast Milky Way. Less than 0.01% of star systems host a planet quite like Jupiter. When we gaze upon the planet's breathtaking cloud bands, painted like a cosmic oil masterpiece, we are not merely seeing storms raging at 1,500 kilometers per hour. We are witnessing the ancient signature of life's beginning on Earth, a reminder that chaos and creation have always shared the same heart.